Assalamu alaikum students, in 7th ladder, page number 43 and lecture number 12. Today our topic is about the comprehension. As each one of you knows that in the previous lecture we read about the poem The Charge of the Light Brigade, and we discussed about the history of the Light Brigade as well, that two countries were participating in the Battle of the Balaclava. First one was Russian and the second one was Britannia, and they were fighting against each other. And the Light Brigade was the military unit consisting of the 600 soldiers, and they were covered faced army serving on the horseback. So according to these concepts, now we are able to solve the comprehension. You know well that to understand or to perceive the things when after reading any paragraph or any story or passage, we are able to answer the questions or to solve different types of the questions. That is called comprehension. Our A part of the comprehension is about the answer with reference to the context. In reference, students we tell about the story name or the poet name or poem name as well. That is called hawala matan. In this way we can write the reference, like these lines have been taken place from the poem The Charge of the Light Brigade, written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. 7th class, the name of the poem or the story we write into the inverted commas, but the name of the poet or the writer we don't write into the inverted commas. Inverted commas first sign shows about the figure of 66 and the second sign shows about the figure of 99. Then let's come to the now let's discuss about the context. Context means students Yakosbach when we have some lines of the story of the poem, and according to the given lines we have to write the events that have passed before the lines and that are about to happen before the given lines. That is called context. And sometimes it happens that we just write the main theme in the context as well. Okay, let's start the context. This poem is based on the Battle of the Balaclava. About the Battle of Balaclava we have read in the poem during the Crimean War in 1854. It means the Battle of the Balaclava was going on during the Crimean War in 1854. The Charge of the Light Brigade, this is the name of the military unit of the Britannia, was led by the Lord Cardigan. Who was leading the Light Brigade? Lord Cardigan, against the Russian forces. Against the Russian forces, Lord Cardigan was leading the Light Brigade of the Britannia, the Battle of the Balaclava. Due to the miscommunication in the chain of command, the Light Brigade was sent on the frontal assault instead of pursuing or retreating Russian artillery battery. It means at that time the means of the communication were not very strong, and the Light Brigade mistakenly was sent on the frontal assault. It means they had to face the frontal attack. They had to fight in front of the enemies instead of pursuing. Pursuing means students instead of the following the enemies, those who were taking refuge in the Britannia in the mounted firearms. The assault means attack, ended with very high British casualties. Casualties means students they had to surrender before the British army. This poem emphasizes the valor of the cavalry. Cavalry, I have told you, the covered faced army, and this poem shows about the valor, courage and the bravery of the British army in bravely carrying out the orders, that they carried out the orders with great bravery without any fear regardless of obvious outcome. It means they carried out the orders with great bravery and meet with the victory. 7th class, reference and context we have written according to the given lines. Now according to the given lines we have to attempt the questions. It means we have to give the answers of the questions according to these lines. Okay, before giving the answers of these questions, we should read the lines. When their glory faded, or the wild charge they made, all the world wondered, honor the charge they made. Now let's answer the questions. Now 7th class, according to the given lines, our first question number A, is whose glory can ever fade and why it's so? First question is about whose glory? The glory of the soldiers. It means the light brigade can never fade. And what is the reason? Because they have fought boldly. And question B, what should be honored? The charge. Charge means the command that they made. Who made? The light brigade should be honored. And question C, why did the 600 have to meet with such a disastrous situation? Disastrous means very dreadful situation due to the miscommunication, as we have discussed in the history as well. In the chain of command, the 600 have to meet such a disastrous situation. It means they have to face the very dreadful situation, and because they had to fight in front of the enemies. Now come to the part B. It means part 2, according to the lines. Lines you can check from the book. Our question A, according to the lines, who stormed at home with shot and shell? The answer is the Russian forces stormed at the Light Brigade with shot and shell. And then question B of the part 2, what does the poet mean by the jaws of death? The poet means by the jaws of death that the mouth of the death. It means they are fighting in a very crucial circumstances and in very dreadful condition. And question number C, who came back from the mouth of the hell? You know very well. Light Brigade came back from the mouth of hell. Now part B of the comprehension is about the separate. Answer the following questions. The first questions that we have solved, they were according to the reference and context, and these are separate questions. Our first question is, about which war has the poet The Charge of the Light Brigade been written? The War of Balaclava during the Crimean War in 1854 has been written in the poem The Charge of the Light Brigade. It means this poem is written according to the history of the Battle of Balaclava on the Crimean War. And the question number 2, according to the first stanza, how many British forces rode into the battle? We have discussed it. According to the first stanza, 600 rode into the battle. How many soldiers were consisting into the Light Brigade? 600 soldiers. Question number 3, why do you think the poet refers to the valley as the valley of death? It means why the poet compares the valley to the valley of the death. The poet refers the valley as the valley of death because there is much horror. डर था वहाँ पे in the battlefield, and anyone has no chance to come back from the battlefield. It's up to the luck because there were much horror and they have not any option except fighting. So that's why the poet refers the valley of death. Question number 4, what weapon did the soldiers use against the gunners? Answer, the soldiers used the weapon against the gunners saber bear. Saber bears means naked swords that have the curved faces from their mouths. Question number 5, write the meanings of the following. There is not to make reply. The Light Brigade haven't any option to make the reply or to argue about the things. The answer is, it means the 600 soldiers were fighting on the frontal assault. Frontal assault means they were facing the frontal attack, so they could just fight with their enemies or die. In the case of giving up, they have just two options, fight or die. They hadn't time to ask about the situation and to make reply to anyone else because they were very busy over there. The situation was very crucial. Then the part B of the question number 5 is that there is not reason to why. It means they haven't any option to ask about the reason, that why are they fighting with the uh, enemies, or why are they fighting in front of the troops. The answer of the question is that the Light Brigade soldiers were facing the situation with great courage and valor, but they hadn't any right to ask that why they were fighting and what was the reason. It means they haven't any option except fighting. Then part C of question number 5. There is but to do or die. They have just two options, to do or die. As we have discussed in the poem, the 600 soldiers had just two options. First one, to face the situation and defeat their rivals, or the second one, give up in the battlefield and meet their deaths with the great dishonor. Because if they give up during the battle or during the war, they had to meet with the great dishonor. So they had to fight with the enemies in every case, because this is the matter. Then 7th class, our last question is about the phrases. That what phrases does the poet use to describe the battlefield? Phrases you know very well. This is the just groups of the words. They haven't subject or the predicate or the complete sense. They are just of the group of the words. The answer is that the poet has used many phrases in the poem, like the valley of death, the jaws of death, and the mouth of hell for the battlefield. Now let's discuss the additional questions except the comprehension questions. And students, think and answer questions you have to attempt by your own self, because after reading the poem or the history of the poem, you are able to think about the questions and then answer according to your own views. Our first question: how many countries were involved in the Battle of Balaclava? In the Battle of the Balaclava, 2 countries were involved. First one, Russia, and the second one is Britain, were involved. And the second question. Then our question number 2: why did the Light Brigade sent on the frontal assault? We have read in the poem or in the history that due to the miscommunication in the chain of command, the Light Brigade was sent on the frontal assault, because there were not the proper ways of the communication at that time. If they were guided properly, might be they were sent to anywhere else in the battlefield to face the enemies. And question number 3: what does the poet want to reveal about the Light Brigade? The poet wants to reveal great valor, courage, and bravery of the Light Brigade. It means the poet has written this poem to describe the courage, valor, and the bravery of the Light Brigade, because their glory, according to their performance, can never be faded. Now students, we have read the poem according to the history, that how many wars were going over there: the war of the Crimean in 1854 and the Battle of the Balaclava, and it was going on between the 2 countries, Russian and the Britannia. And this is in the praise of the Light Brigade, that were consisting of 600 soldiers. So according to the comprehension and the poem or the history, we have to make assignment about the courage or the bravery of the Light Brigade, and collect photos about the battlefield as well. In this way, you will be able to understand the site of the battlefield in a proper way, and you will get it. So in the next video, we'll solve our grammar portion and we'll discuss about the grammatical concept. Till then, Allah Hafiz.